have questions. I have my LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram linked to my profile. And this is my time. Over to you, Jared.
Awesome. And last but not least from the moderators, Professor Timmy, please let everybody know what you do and how you can be helpful to the job seeker.
Thank you, Jared. Thanks everybody for being here. My name is Professor Temi. I've been in tech for over 2 decades, close to three now, and I'm a tech CEO and a career coach and a mentor. If you're trying to break into tech in less than 120 days, I can help you break into different area of tech. Look under my bio, and I can help you. Schedule a call with me on my link tree. Thank you, and I'm done speaking.
Awesome, awesome. So Jess or Tiara, I'll pass it to you to get into the speakers.
Thank you, Jared. And thank you to all the mods, guys. Thank you. Really appreciate your time today. If you are in the audience, please feel free to follow and connect with all the mods that resonate with you. They are doing this out of the kindness of their own heart. So please show them some love. They are amazing people. So let's get to our speakers. Our first speaker, we have Jason. Jason is a software engineer and a computer science major at TAMU. Jason also is looking for full stack software development roles. He's a stock investor as well. And his tech stack includes C++, Java, Python, Flask. He's learning JavaScript, React, Node, JS, and machine learning. And that is all we know about Jason so far. Jason, tell us what you're looking for and if there's any mods that you would like to connect.
Thanks for having me. Good evening, everyone. My name is Jason. I'm a senior computer science student at Texas A&M University. Currently, I'm doing co-op at Intuit as a software developer. I'm working on a mobile team on a mobile role. Previously, never had mobile experience before. However, my internship, my co-op decided to put me on a mobile team, but I was able to learn fast and catch up real fast and contribute to the code base as soon as possible. My team is very small. The team I'm working on right now is very small. So every line of code to go to Google Play directly. Yeah, so that's a little bit background about me. I'm looking for a new grad role for May 2022 as a software engineer role or software developer role.
Awesome. Thank you, Jason. And if there are any companies or moderators on stage represented that you would like to speak to, please feel free to shout them out now so they know that you're checking for them. So we have some people from Amazon, Facebook, Google, Deloitte, a little bit of everything. So now's your time to shine.
Yeah, so I'm not sure like who's from which company to be honest. So if you have opening roles I can apply to, or I can DM you, that would be better.
Okay, thank you, Jason. So I suggest that thanks for sharing what you're looking for and about yourself. I suggest that you just take some time the rest of the evening to have a look at people's profiles and send a message to the people that you resonate with. Thank you. We're going to move on to the next person. Next, we have Isis. Isis is a SJU class of 2020 grad from New York City. She is a stock investor, real estate investor, and founder of SG Next Level Tennis. Isis, tell us what you're looking for today and who you would like to connect with.
Hi, my name is Isis Gill and I'm from Brooklyn, New York. I currently work in real estate, property management, and property development. And I'm looking to switch roles to get into a marketing associate job or account executive job. It's my first time being on Clubhouse in 7 months, so I'm not really sure how this specific club works, but looking forward to connecting with anyone who has open roles and just navigating that process.
Hey Isis, this is Amin. You can speak to Joseph. He's in the second row in the middle. He's an account executive at Amazon. Super helpful. He's going to give you lots of resources. Connect with him on LinkedIn. I'm not sure if he can speak now, but
Yeah, for sure.
okay, great.
Feel free to connect with me. Happy to give a referral. Happy to see your profile as well.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thanks, Amin. Thanks, Jazib. And yes, please definitely connect with Jazib. He has gotten several people hired into the Amazon Loop. So he's a great resource and a great mentor as well. Thanks so much for joining us, Isis. Next, we have James. James, how are you today? James is
Nice.
from Texas A&M University as well, class of 2023, computer science major and looking for software engineering internship. James, welcome to the stage. Is there anyone you would like to connect with?
I maybe just first introduce myself.
Absolutely.
My name's James, and I'm currently a undergrad junior computer science student at Texas A&M. So this next summer, I'm looking for a software engineering internship role. I have 2 work experience. My last work experience, I worked as a full-stack web developer at a medical institute at my university. So my specialty was React.js, mostly front end, but I also work with Python, Django for the backend, various database like MySQL database, SQL, NoSQL, and SQL. And I also learned some DevOps tools. So I'm pretty much full stack, and I'm really looking for big tech companies internship roles next summer. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you, James. All right, guys. So James is Texas A&M University, computer science, and looking for a internship for next summer with big tech. So, James, we have a few people here from big tech. We have Stephanie from Google, Nikita and Jazib from Amazon. Who else? Clap your mic if you're from big
Srija,
tech. Oh yeah, Srija
Tiara.
is at Amazon as well. Who else? We got a couple people here. Tiara is at LinkedIn, which is a Microsoft company. Yeah, so definitely tap in. You have a bunch of resources here on stage, and you have some startups here as well. So definitely don't be afraid to look into the startup world. So those are some good places to get you started. Hope you have your LinkedIn and resume ready. There are some people on stage to support you with that as well, but definitely feel free to tap in. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
No problems, James. I'm gonna pass it over to Tiara for a quick reset, and then we can get over to you, Miss.
Awesome. Thank you, Jess. So, hi, everyone. Just to reset the room, this is CH Tech Careers Recruiter Spotlight on a Monday. So, I need you guys to get excited. And this is under the Startup Club. So, if you're not following the Startup Club, please do. Thank you very much. And please shout out to all these mods for taking their glorious time, honestly, on this Monday night. So, next, I'm going to pass this along to Janet. So, Janet, please share a little bit about your background, what roles you're interested in, and if there are any companies you would like to connect with. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi, my name is Janet Manning. I myself am looking to assist the Black Cybersecurity Association in hosting a career fair on the 22nd of October. If I'm here to talk about that. The career fair is at no cost for the career seekers or the companies. If anyone is interested, there are entry level as well as well experienced former military persons with high security clearance that are seeking to transition to cybersecurity, as well as very experienced cybersecurity professionals within that organization. If you are interested in presenting your career opportunities to a diverse group, please reach out to me. I look forward to hearing from you, and thank you for allowing me to share that information. It's Janet, I'm done speaking.
Thank you so much, Janet. And I would just recommend either connecting with them like via back channel or just send them a message on LinkedIn. Okay. But thank you so much for sharing that opportunity. And it sounds like a great opportunity. So I'll definitely will be shooting some candidates your way to attend that. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Of course, not a problem. So next we are going to hear from Nicole. How are you? Hello. Okay, well that's fine. So we'll just leave Nicole there. Maybe she's having some tech issues. Next we're going to hear from Amber. So hi, Amber. What brings you up to this stage?
Hey, I just came here to support. I love the room. So, thank you, Tiara, for allowing me to be here for you, and for you all just creating this space and so forth. I'm just chilling with you guys.
Okay, well listen, we're here for
Thank
the
you, Amber.
support. Yes, thank you so much, Amber. And so next we're going to hear from Joyce. How are you? And please tell us a little about your background. If there are any companies you're interested in connecting with. Thank you.
Yes, my name is Joy. I just graduated in August. I have a bachelor's degree in leadership and psychology. However, I am looking into getting into tech. I just want to get my foot on the door, however possible. I'm willing to get a certification. So if anybody knows or any way they can connect me to just get my foot on the door, I'm definitely open, and I'm open to any position or any company. I live in Texas, Dallas, and I'm pretty flexible in going to different locations. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much for that. So recruiters, do you guys have any resources in terms of recent tech careers? I'm sorry, no, early tech careers, boot camps, or any additional resources to share with her?
This is Amin. Microsoft has this program for people who are interested in entering Microsoft as a sales. I forgot what it's called. I think it's the Microsoft Sales Institute. I know the director. So if you're interested in entering Microsoft in sales, just hit me up on LinkedIn and I can make a direct connection. And he started the Sales Institute. I could be saying the name wrong, but he started it for people who didn't have a tech background and underprivileged people as well, so that he could basically teach them from scratch. And he's a director at Microsoft. So if you want me to connect you to that, if you're interested in that. Also, sales executive roles at Amazon, they have some entry level. You can connect to Jazib. Other companies also have associate product manager, associate product marketing manager. So it depends on the company, but we can connect and I'll just send you resources and you can decide which one you want to go with. And then when you decide, you can let me know and I'll make an introduction.
And also, Joy, to just piggyback with LinkedIn, we do have a ton of like customer success roles, which is like represents like a non-tech background as well as account executive. So if you are interested in going the sales route, I could definitely refer you. We can have a conversation, and I'll pass it along to Michael. Go ahead.
I was just about to say, if you're looking to break into tech sales, we'll actually pay you to learn what you need to do in order to land a job at one of these tech companies. So feel free to reach out to me and we'll get you set up.
Thank you
And
so much.
lastly, I would recommend also checking out Jazib's Tech and Chill community, because it's a great place to also network with people that are breaking into tech and exchange resources as well. And I heard someone else come off there.
It was me. I was just saying thank you so much.
You're so welcome, Joyce. You're very welcome.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much, and we wish you the best of luck in your search. Nicole, are you there?
I'm here. Thank you so much. I was having some technical difficulties.
Oh, no problem. Go ahead. So, please tell us a little bit about your background and what roles you're interested in. Thank you.
So I'm not currently looking for a role yet. I do have a background. I worked in help desk and direct desktop as well as remote support roles for 12 to 15 years. I worked in a school district at a STEM school where I was basically everything from system admin to, trainer for the students and help out. But right now, for the last 8 to 9 years, I've been working outside of the tech industry because I needed a certain type of flexibility to care for a family member. I'm finishing my cybersecurity degree right now, And I guess my question is, no, two questions. Number one, what do you think are the key certifications to move from basically end user support into cybersecurity? And then number two, are there any other than finishing my bachelor's, are there any other boot camps or workshops or anything like that you'd suggest I get under my belt when I'm ready to start looking? And I'm done speaking.
All right, thank you so much. So moderators, do you guys have any insight to share with her about that
I would
for
say Miss
cybersecurity?
I would say Miss Temi is in the room. I don't know if she um, is on here right now. Maybe she stepped out for a bit. But Nicole, if you could just follow up with Professor Temi. She says IT trainer, cybersecurity, and all that stuff. She'll be able to give you detailed information on that.
Thank you. I did note her. I will. Thank you.
And then also check out the Black Cybersecurity Association here on Clubhouse. They're a pretty big group. Oh no, where'd you go, Nicole? Well, anyway, if you're still in here, they're a big group here on Clubhouse, and they're always having rooms, resources, workshops. And like you heard Ms. Janet say, they're having a career fair coming up. So they're a great network here on this app to get in touch with as well. Okay. Don't know where you went. Oh, here you are. Hope you caught that.
Yes, I caught it. Thank you very much. I
You're
just stepped back
welcome.
when I was speaking. Thank you.
Hi, this is Yen, and Nicole, I brought you back up. I just wanted to let you know that actually Tech Talks has started, the Tech Talks, the club, has started a series of cybersecurity rooms. And there is one actually going on right now. If you want to, you can give the club a follow, and you will be able to see the room that is happening. And they are actually talking about, the question that you just asked, and they also allow Q&A, so you can go up and ask them kind of right now if you're interested. This is Yan. I'm done speaking. If you're not sure how to find the club, send me a back channel message. I can go there and ping you or something.
Thank you. I certainly will. Thank you all.
Hey, Nicole, this is Chris from Boston. You've been given a lot of great advice. I will just add a tiny bit more. And again, sometimes it's hard to remember all the names. So just like Ann mentioned, send her a back channel. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn. There are two gentlemen that I'm thinking of within the BCA, the Black Cyber Association, Anthony Briscoe and Roger White, and they're frequently on this app. So again, you can find them in rooms specifically for your question. Generally speaking, you're probably going to want to study for the CSIP, but if you talk to someone that's kind of in that space, they might be able to give you some more curated information, kind of given, where you are, your work experience, kind of getting a little more information. And to that point, there's a gentleman on this app named M. James Gomez. He's a CISO of color. He runs a club called CyberSec Academy. And Saturdays at 4 p.m., he runs a room that's basically folks that are in his boot camp, and they get on. So it's almost like an extension of the class. So feel free, if you're available Saturdays at 4 p.m. Eastern time, to listen in on that. And if you're interested to connect with M. James, usually LinkedIn is the best way to do that. This is Chris in Boston. I'm done.
Hey, real quick. Actually, this is the person I was actually going to ping into the room. I know that it's Dan. I know Janet. There's the Black Cybersecurity Association. Y'all are doing an event, right?
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Yes, I mentioned it. Everyone was so gracious to let me talk about it. October 27th, there is a career fair that we're having virtually, live and pre-recorded job opportunities. But I want to talk about Professor White's breaking into cybersecurity. It's every Thursday on the Discord server. It's under the coffee shop under BCA. You just go in there when you can and leave out. Discord is another app similar to Slack. A lot of people on Clubhouse use it as well, but it's where you can go in there and get some really high information on how to break into cybersecurity. I welcome you to just look up Cyber T on Clubhouse, and that's how you can join BCA. Or if you want to look up Roger White, WHYTE, he's just an amazing, very caring, high level architect that volunteers a lot of time with BCA. He's our chairman of the board, and I do assist with career services. So please, you can also DM me. I will give you those resources and links as well. But it's a wonderful organization, very inclusive to be connected with. The goal is to help persons that may not have a lot of exposure to trainings and find a sense of community and get a good, high quality education and exposure. And we have some amazing partnerships with companies. So please feel free to join. And like I said, you just show up and leave when you're ready to leave. But it's really good information. So thank you all so much for allowing me to share. It's Janet, I'm done speaking.
Yeah,
Okay, awesome. Oh, sorry. Go ahead.
I had one thing. I had my name, and my name is Professor Temi. So if you're trying to break into cybersecurity or need any information, feel free to DM me here, and I'll guide you. So, yeah, I'm here to support. And you can also schedule a call with me on my link tree. It's right there under my bio. Thank you.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much, Professor Timmy. We love you. So serious about that. So next we're going to hear from Chris. How are you? And please share us about please tell us a little bit about your background, what roles you're interested in. And if there are any recruiters that you would like to connect with, here is the time. Thank you.
Sure. My name is Chris Hassel. I'm currently a first-year MBA student at USC Marshall. I'm actually interested in MBA internships for summer 2022. I have a background in product development and in the apparel space, and I'm looking to transition into the tech space post graduation. I graduate in 2023. Thanks.
Hey, it's Dan. Oh, I really need to change my background. That was for a different room.
Dan, what? I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Sorry. Tiara. That was so my fault and so great. I know you want to switch over into tech. I do have some connections to Blue Origin. I know it's based out of Washington. But if it's something that you're interested in, I could send you a message and connect you with the recruiter there.
Sure. Yeah, that'd be helpful. Yeah, to be more specific, I'm interested in like product management roles or like product marketing management. So if anyone has any connections, I would love to follow up on that.
Hey, Chris.
Connect with
So,
me.
sorry, what'd you say?
I said connect with me, and I saw
Oh,
your.
okay, Steph. Thanks, Steph. Chris, real quick, you're trying to get an internship while you're doing your MBA, right?
Correct.
All right, I'm going to connect you to a couple of my friends that just finished their MBA internships at big tech companies, because I think they would be best to give you advice, being that they actually went through the process. Yours is kind of unique because you already kind of want to work in product management. They work in product management, and you need somebody that actually has gone through the MBA internship program. So is it
Right.
your first year of your MBA right now?
Yes, it is.
All right, I'll connect you to a couple of people on LinkedIn tonight.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
All right, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, Chris. And if what I would also do is like feel free to connect with the rest of these mods if you like I guess like I'm sorry, just connect with them to just continue this conversation, okay? And that's what it's really about too, is making sure that you guys do build and maintain these relationships, okay? So thank you so much, Chris, and good luck in your search.
All right. Thank you.
Of course, no problem. So just to reset the room, this is CH Tech Careers Recruiter Spotlight happening on a Monday. So if you guys are not following the Startup Club, please do it immediately because we're going to be doing this every week. So this is what's really awesome. So next we're going to hear from Tara. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. Thanks for hosting these rooms every week. They're great. This is my first time to come up on stage, but a little bit about myself. I have a master's in HR and a HR certification through HRCI. I've been in the L&D space as a program manager for the last 7 years, but I'm looking to kind of make a transition into either recruiting program management in a tech company. So that's what I'm looking for right now. I've applied to a couple of positions, most recently at Amazon, but that's really what I'm looking for right now.
Hey, Tara.
Thank
Tara.
you. I'm done speaking.
Hey, Tara, there's a gentleman at Amazon by the name of Courtney Watkins. He's specifically hiring for program and projects managers. He's not in the room, but if you send me a message on LinkedIn, I'll do a quick LinkedIn three-way and connect you to him. He's specifically hiring for what you just said, program and project management at Amazon, if that's what you're interested in.
Oh, wonderful. Thank you, Amin.
You're
Hey,
welcome.
Tara, you said you want to get in recruiting, right?
Yes.
Okay, so one of the best resources out there is if you go on Facebook, there's a group called Jobs for Recruiters, and it's just um, literally jobs for recruiters. And I
Oh,
know
okay.
there's a number of us that have been involved with that, and people post all the time. And especially when you're starting out and looking to get into recruiting, which is something I've only been in for about 9 months, it's a really tremendous resource because people are both posting jobs, but you could also put in for it. The one thing I would keep in mind, and I don't know what your career level experience, I just want to
Mm-hmm.
keep it on the real, is that a lot of people will go in and switch careers to recruiting. Um, and not realize the different ways that you actually make money in the field. So there's a number of different varieties, and you need to be very knowledgeable about where you want to be, because if you're coming in with 5-6 years of experience, a lot of firms are going to start off with like 40, like 35 to 45, maybe
Mm-hmm.
55 plus bonus, and you want to know exactly where you need to be in order to survive, because I think that's the number one turnoff of people. Um,
Okay.
Likewise, if you go into if you go into HR, then that's a different set of circumstances. So just be aware of those things as you're transitioning, and it's going to put you in a lot better spot to understand and articulate exactly what you're looking for. Please send me a message if you want to chat. Being somebody that recently transitioned, I'm more than happy to guide you through the steps I went through.
Okay. Wonderful. Thank you, Dan. Thanks, everyone.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, and we wish you the best of luck in your search. So we're just going to pause really quickly because we have. Oh, well, never mind. Looks like he actually stepped out the room. Never mind. When that mod comes back, I'll introduce him. Okay, so next we're going to hear from Anish. How are you?
Hello, everyone. I'm doing well. Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to join this room. Uh, I just know myself, my Anish, and I'm a tech professional. And actually, now I'm pretty new to Clubhouse, and I was browsing something else, but the subject really caught my attention. And then today I joined this room not for me. Actually, this is I want to support my wife, who is a mother who has completed her MS in computer science, and also she was an IT professional, but she took a break because of the family and kids, and she wanted to restart her career. And she has actually very passionate, and she learned Salesforce administration and all the good technologies which is relevant to the market. But of course, because she doesn't have any relevant experience in that field, and when she was working, the technologies were different, and now technology changed because she tried multiple times. But of course, there is no luck. Every job they're looking for a minimum experience for 2-3 years. But unfortunately, of course, being a mother, and she took a break, and she was not able to find any job. And I think I just want to let you guys know about the background, and if you could, anybody can help her, before she completely go low on her confidence. If anybody can help, I really appreciate. Again, she is a MS graduate. She did a MS in Stanford University, Virginia. and she has also proactively completed a Salesforce administration certification as well. Thank you. This is Anish. That's all from my side.
Okay. Well, first of all, that is so nice that you did that for your wife. So shout out to you, Anish. That's awesome. Now, the one thing I can say is I would love to connect with your wife, either like sometime this week or early next week, and I can share some of like my LinkedIn strategies that have helped some of my clients get jobs, especially pivoting with that. And then also, are there any other mods that would like to provide any more resources?
I'm happy to team with you on that, Tiara.
Hi Tiara, it's Fumi. Yeah, I'd love to also connect with Anish's wife. I transitioned from being mum back into tech as well. So really keen to share experiences. Plus, we have a number of roles within Citrix right now, tech and non-tech. And many of them do offer a variety of, or expect a variety of experiences. So again, I may be able to speak to her and coach her through getting a job. So yeah, please connect with me. Thank you.
Also,
Thank you so
Anish.
much. Yeah, I couldn't follow the speaker who was
Oh,
this last.
that was Anna. She has the blue dress on in the third row in the middle.
Oh, I'm here. Is it? Hi,
Awesome.
that was
Thank you so
me.
much. Yeah.
Amin. That was for me in the green.
Oh yeah, and Fumi also spoke. Oh, sorry, that was
Yeah, I
Fumi.
didn't speak. I was like,
I thought I
what?
heard Anna. Okay, that was Fumi above her with the green background. Sorry, she sounded like her.
Awesome. Thank you. I could see all three. I think coincidentally you are all in the same row, so same column. Yeah.
Anish, one more resource. Facebook has a program called Return to Work, specifically for anyone who has been out of the workforce 2+ years or more. So it could be 10 years, 2 years, and it's they train you for 18 weeks, and then after the 18, it's paid. After the 18 weeks, you can then do a full-time role. I want to believe that it was global. In June, they had global roles, but they always update the roles. So it's Facebook Return to Work. You can Google it, and they have roles on an ongoing basis. Some technical, some non-technical. So she can check that out as well.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you. I mean, I'll definitely pass on those details to her.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you so much for your time, and I can't wait to connect with your wife. So this is great. So next, we're going to hear from Ivan. How are you, Ivan?
Doing good, Tiara. How are you?
I'm well, thank you.
That's awesome. We love to hear that. Well, first off, I'm still gonna do it. Thank you to yourself, Jess, Yan, Jared, Jazzy, Fumi, Anna, Dipsa, Queen, Amin, Ashley, Henry, Stacy, Shivani, Tammy, Janet, and sorry if I butcher any names and everyone else in the room for just giving us the opportunity to introduce ourselves so that we can fulfill roles or grow our career. Greatly appreciate it. Or just network as well. Greatly appreciate it. So, hi everyone. I'm Ivan. I'm based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. HR enthusiast looking to venture back into the field while also balancing the life of a student. And then I'm also building up, as I do both, I do want to build up two businesses, the bakery service that's online, that's been running for 5+ years, and a platform that helps people be one step closer to their goals. And some of the things that I do include like just giving up my time as a resource and doing things like CV, LinkedIn reviews, and editing, promoting opportunities for people within my circle or my network or people they can connect with, just so that I can close the gap or build further stronger relationships, or just being there as a friend. If you need help, you let me know. I do want to get into more of the HR space, but I am open to a lot of opportunities. I know it's not best to do that, but and my main priority is HR. But if there is a APM roles like APM, PM roles, let me be more specific. Project or associate project manager, product managers, I would be greatly interested as well. So, but if you have any questions regarding what I just said, just reach out to me for LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, and I'm happy to help in any way I can. I am currently responding to the Instagram messages that are more recent, and I'm working my way up towards LinkedIn and back channel. I'm Ivan, and I hope everyone had a fantastic weekend, an awesome Monday, and hope you enjoy it. And I'm done speaking for now.
Thank you, Ivan. Always great to hear from you. And thanks again for your special introduction. And greetings for everyone. We really appreciate you on stage. Up next, we have Niraja. Niraja, thanks for joining us. How are you?
Hello everyone, I'm good. Hope everyone's doing good. And I'm so excited to be in this room today. And right when I joined here, I heard a couple of people talking about cybersecurity, and my major is in cybersecurity, and I'm a undergrad student, and I'm looking for internships. So I hope to connect with them, and I've sent them, DM them personally. Yeah, so I majored in cybersecurity and looking for internships in information security, cloud security, network security, or any other field that involves cybersecurity, because I'm in my sophomore year and I'm exploring that field. So yeah, that's about me.
Awesome. Thank you. Always exciting to meet someone that loves cybersecurity. Definitely feel free to network with anyone on stage that you connect with. Professor Timmy and Miss Janet are also in the cybersecurity space, so absolutely feel free to shoot them a message.
Yeah, I have shot them a message. Professor Tammy Atkin and Janet. I've DM'd them both. Yeah.
Awesome. Thanks so much, Naraja. Thanks for joining
Thank
us
you.
on stage. We appreciate having you. Up next, we have Ben. Ben is a web developer and an entrepreneur. Ben, thanks for joining us. Please introduce yourself and tell us what you're looking for and who you would like to connect with.
Hey, thanks, Jess. So yeah, my name is Ben. I'm a website developer. I've been developing website for over 6 years. Now I completed a full-time boot camp and graduated with the honor certificate. I'm trying to get a full-time front-end position at any tech company located in DMV area. So if it's local, that'll be great. If not, I'm also open to a remote job. So yeah, any help will be appreciated. Thank you, guys.
This is Nikita. Just to quickly ask a quick question. Are you in US right now? Because I see two flags, but just want to be sure and confirm.
Yes, yeah, I'm in US. Yep.
Okay, perfect. Can you send me a DM because I'm hiring for web developers and I think I heard that and even saw in your bio. More than happy to have a quick look at your profile and take the conversation from there.
Yes, definitely. I'll DM you right now.
Awesome. Definitely make sure that you follow up with Nikita. Thanks for your time. Up next, we have, it looks like Satyakam. Satyakam, how are you today? Thanks for joining us.
Hey, Jess, thanks for bringing me up and thanks for opening up this room. And I'm a serial entrepreneur with small startups and helping people because I've been building communities for a few decades now. I'm an old hat in the business of information technology and software development. So I'm looking for having an in-house recruiter, where because what's happening now is I'm finding it difficult to get into this networks and my networks, and it's a full-time job. I understand that, finding people and talking to them and hiring people. So I'm looking for a full-time recruitment. I'm based out of Noida, India, and if anyone can get me that person, or I'm just trying to network with people in recruitment business, and people like Nikita or anyone can help me, in finding that person. I'm here to hire a in-house kind of recruiter kind of person. I'm not looking for a HR person, definitely not. Yeah, that's my ask as of now, Jess. Thank you. I'm done speaking. Hello.
Thank you so much. Yes, yes, they're here. We appreciate you sharing that with us. Is anyone on stage available or have any people that they connect Satyakam with? If so, please feel free to share now or feel free to shoot him a message if you have a chance. And then also to Satyakam, feel free to network and connect with anyone on stage that you feel might be able to support you with that.
Thank you, Jess.
Thank you. Up next, we have Wisdom. Wisdom is a product and local designer and creative director. Wisdom, thanks for joining us. Please tell us about yourself and what you're looking for and who you would like to
Hello,
connect.
hello everyone. Good evening. My name is Wisdom, and I'm from Nigeria. Basically, as she said, thank you very much for that introduction. I'm a product and logo designer, and basically, I'm trying to build up my brand to an international client base. So I am open to work with anyone all over the world, and basically, that's just it. I'm just trying to get to know new people around, just getting to work. So I'm open to any kind of work. I'm into UI and UX designs, also app designs, website designs as well, video animations, and so on, and also into brand consulting. So feel free to hit me up. I'm always open for anyone. So yes, basically that's why I'm here, to connect with people.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your introduction, Wisdom. And we are very happy to have you here on stage. And feel free to connect with any of the moms that you resonate with or anyone that you feel that you can support in their endeavors. Lastly, we have Ms. Janae. Ms. Janae, thank you so much for joining us. Please feel free to introduce yourself.
Thank you for having me, everyone. And thank you, Jess. My name is Janae. I'm a diversity sourcer. Sorry, my puppy is biting me. I'm a diversity tech sourcer for Amazon. I'm looking for software engineers back end for US and Canada and Mexico positions in Mexico. So if you meet any of the qualifications, please feel free to reach out to me and connect with me on LinkedIn.
Yes. Hey, Janae.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
All right, Jessica TR, are we closing the room up?
Yeah, we can close it out. Yeah, I just wanted to say thank you all so much for taking the time to attend CH Tech Careers Recruiter Spotlight under the Startup Club. And as a reminder, if you're not following this club, feel free to do that. And also shout out to all the wonderful mods in this room for taking their time on this lovely Monday to share insights and resources. And so if you guys are listening in this room, if you weren't able to get on stage, feel free to connect with any of these mods through the back channel or Instagram or maybe their LinkedIn as well. Okay. Jessica, you have anything else to say, sweetie?
Thanks. Sorry, this new I don't know. I have chubby fingers, so I don't know. I always struggle with the mic. But anyway, thanks everyone for joining us. Thank you again for all of the mods that contributed your time, your resources, your efforts today are much, much appreciated. Thank you so much to everyone that came and joined us on stage. We appreciate you. You added much value to the room as well. Please make sure that you guys follow the mods and follow the people that resonate with you, and make sure that you follow Startup Club as well. They're doing amazing things. We will see you guys next week for CH Tech Careers Recruiter Spotlight. We will be hosting under the Pre-Market Movers Club. So we'll see you next week. Have a good night, everybody. Bye.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.